Hello friends, are you looking for information about where to get a self-drive rental car for your upcoming Leh Ladakh road trip? Or maybe you want to just know where to get a self-drive car in Leh or Srinagar or Manali for your upcoming trip. It is one of the most common questions on my travel blog, and why not? Well, in my last video of this series, I talked about where exactly you can take these self-drive rental cars for sightseeing in Ladakh and how you can travel up there with them. But today in this Express FAQ series on traveling to Ladakh, I'm going to talk about where exactly you can hire these self-drive rental cars for your Ladakh trip. So let's get started. Well, with the boom in self-drive rental cars in India, it is very common to see people asking about where to get these self-drive rental cars for Ladakh trips. And mostly they need to know if they can reach directly to Leh or Srinagar or Manali, and can they get such self-drive rental cars for further travel in the region. Well, as I described in my previous video of this series, self-drive rental cars are not allowed for any sightseeing in Ladakh to places like Pangong Tso, Nubra Valley or Somorri Lake. You can take these self-drive rental cars to reach Leh and then come back from Leh, but not for any sightseeing. But now the question comes, it is okay if the self-drive outside rental cars are not allowed, but can you get a self-drive rental car in Leh for Ladakh sightseeing? I mean, can you fly directly to Leh and then can't you just get a self-drive car up there and drive in Ladakh? Well friends, unfortunately there is no such option to get a self-drive rental car in Leh Ladakh. You will have to rent a local taxi in Leh to do sightseeing within Ladakh. At max, what you can do is that you can ask a local taxi driver to let you drive on some of the stretches if he is comfortable with it. Otherwise, you can just get in the self-drive rental cars for your Leh Ladakh road trip from your nearby city and then drive over there to Leh and then take a taxi in Ladakh and do sightseeing within that taxi. You can get a self-drive rental car for your Leh Ladakh road trip only from a nearby major cities like Delhi or Chandigarh. Or maybe you can take these self-drive rental cars from a major cities nearby your home from where you are traveling to Ladakh. But there is no self-drive rental car services available within Leh, at least at the time of recording this video in 2020. You may want to know if you can get a self-drive rental car in Manali or Srinagar, as these are the main points where journey to Ladakh begins over Srinagar Leh Highway or Manali Leh Highway. And again, unfortunately, much like Leh, there is no such option, at least to my knowledge, where you can get a self-drive rental car in Manali or even in Srinagar. As I suggested previously in the video, you can take a self-drive rental car from a nearby city like Chandigarh or Delhi, where you may land, and then drive over Manali Leh Highway or Srinagar Leh Highway. Unlike Ladakh local sightseeing, you do have an option to travel on these highways without any restriction whatsoever. So friends, I hope by now you have an understanding of options with self-drive rental cars for a Leh Ladakh road trip. In my next video, I'll talk about if you can take your own car or any personal private number car to Leh Ladakh or not. And of course, if there is any taxi union rules that comes your way while doing so. So stay tuned my friends and watch out for the next video. Now in the end, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in case if you need any help or have any questions on your upcoming trip to the Himalayas, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out right away. Till then my friends, Jule, and please keep our Himalayas clean.